y'all, it's Dinorah, aka the Southern Belle of the South Bronx. Welcome back to my channel. So on today's video, we're going to be doing week 2 of K18. So K18 is the product that I was using in my last video. It is a leave-in molecular repair hair mask. So K18 is a hair science based company that was made to repair the hair, whether you have bleach or chemical or mechanical or heating damages to your hair. So I'm using it because I'm having some issues, as you can probably tell here, with like some of my curls not curling. So last week was my first application and I only applied it to the first half of my hair, so from the crown to my hairline. I did have like a smidge left, so I applied it to like the bottom half, but that really probably didn't make any effect. It was literally tiny, as you can probably see in my first video. So today, it's been 5 days since I last applied it. So this is going to be my second application. The company does suggest that you use it for 4 to 6 consecutive washes, and then use it every 3 or 4 washes, if I'm not mistaken. If I am, I'll put it down below. But anywho, so yeah, this is my second wash that I'm going to do today. So I'm going to do the same thing that I did last week when I washed my hair on Sunday, which is shampoo, clarifying shampoo. Especially with my hair, I tend to get product buildup. I have low porosity hair. Also, the curl mousse that I used to style my hair last week left like this waxy film on my hair. So anywho, we're going to shampoo with a clarifying shampoo. I'm gonna rinse that out, no conditioner, just like last week. Towel dry, and then we're going to apply the product. I'm gonna use anywhere between 3 and 4 ounces, I believe it was. Was it 3 to 4 ounces? Yes, 3 or 4 ounces, just because my hair is very thick. The texture of my hair, that's what worked for me the first time. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna let it sit for 4 minutes to let it activate and actually hit the cortex of the hair, and then we're gonna style as usual. Instead of using the curling mousse this week, I'm going to use a curl cream. Right, let's see if that works. I just felt like the curl mousse that I used last week left my hair with like this weird like waxy texture, which is not a bad thing because I think my hair held up very well. But I just want to try it with like a curl cream, and then maybe on my 3rd wash I'll use a gel, and then go back to the mousse for my 4th. So this is going to be a I'm gonna do this every week except for the 3rd week, so the 1st, 2nd, and 4th. But I'll have weekly updates on my Instagram, which I'll insert here. So yeah, let's get started. Let's go shampoo this hair. All right, so I look like a glazed pastry because I decided to just take a full-on shower because it was already late, and you know, grandma time, even though it's Friday. So we washed my hair. This is a shampoo that I use. It's a sulfur 8 deep cleansing shampoo. I like this to clarify, so I do 2 of these, 2 washes with this. So back to our instructions, which I'll put on the screen here. So shampoo, clarifying shampoo, I don't know if it has to be a clarifying shampoo each time. I think it should be, so that the product can better penetrate the hair and get to the cortex of the actual follicle. But anywho, so we shampoo, rinse, no conditioner, and now we're gonna towel dry. This is a microfiber towel, and I'm just going to, since my hair is short now, as I mentioned in my last video, I got a blunt cut, so I want to see if there was a difference. So I've already applied the product once. It's been 5 days. According to timeanddate.com, it's been 6 days, but I'm gonna say 5 because I applied it Sunday afternoon-ish, evening. So I mean, I'm still seeing a lot of like the straight pieces, but you know, we're gonna give this product a fair try. So we're gonna go to the 4 washes. If I see something like drastic by the 3rd application, the 3rd wash, I'll buy the full size and I'll go up to 6 washes or 6 applications. All right, y'all, so you know I'm a nerd. and the thing, if I lift it up you won't see it, but I'll insert a picture. So there is 4 milligrams, not ounces, so 4 milligrams equals 4 grams. So all right, sorry, it was late Friday night and I keep messing up, but it's not milligrams and it's not ounces, it's actually milliliters. The way that the product is described on the website and in the instructions, it's by milliliters, but since my scale doesn't measure out milliliters, I have to measure out in grams. And grams and milliliters measure 1 to 1. So 4 grams is 4 milliliters and 4 milliliters is 4 grams. So there you have it. I'm able to measure out grams on here, so I'm using 4. So like I said, I'm only gonna do half of my hair, which is where I have the damage. So the back is clipped. All right, y'all, so let me start off with about this much. And what I like to do is just incorporate it and then like finger detangle. But I will say this, no conditioner, but I did apply some of the product, and look, I could run my fingers through it and my hair feels manageable. Now I will say, like, even though I measured out 4 grams or 4 milligrams, I feel like I need more, but I don't want to, like, you know, sometimes when you use too much of something. Look at that, I'm so surprised, like, how that little bit of product is like detangling my hair. But maybe that's in the science of it, so let me just go with the flow. All right, y'all, this is the remaining product. See, there's nothing left. All right, y'all, so we've applied it. All right, it's 10:14. Let's do 4 minutes. And we're done. The dryness is real. Do you see that? This is completely dry. Okay. So I'm going to be using a cream, curl cream. I don't feel like sharing who makes it, but just know it's a curl cream. I'm using it because I spent my own money on it, but I don't wish to share who it's made by. As I mentioned in my first video, because of the damage that I've had to the front half of my hair, I usually have to finger coil. But because I want to see the true potential of this product, I'm not going to. So I'm just going in with my regular, like, just applying the product and raking it through. Sometimes I do prayer hands, but I don't want to manipulate the hair too much. So I'm also curious to know will my hair feel waxy, even though I feel like it was the mousse that I used last week. But let's see, because I'm using the hair cream. So again, I have a blunt cut, so all my hair is cut at the same length. I don't have an asymmetrical. It looks asymmetrical because of the damage in the front, but we're in the front and I tend to see most of the damage on my left side, which is here. We've raked it, right? I put in the product. Look. Do you see the difference? Like, my hair basically has no life at the bottom. But if you compare it to the ringlets back here, so this is where the problem starts. And I'll show you for difference. Remember, all of my hairs are the same length. If I was to blow dry it, everything would be, it's a blunt bob, right? So I rake it. Do you see the damage now? All of my hair is here and then this is here. No curl, no coil, nothing. This piece in the front is healthy. Look. Do you see the ringlets? Right? Same hair, same section of hair. This hair is supposed to spring up to here. Look where it's at. Look. Not pushing anything. So you see all this hair, boom, blunt cut, boom. So this will be my indicator if the product is restoring my hair back to its natural pattern, if you will. No promises, you know. I bought this, like, again, I bought this with my own money. I'm experimenting on by my own will, so yes, y'all. So see this front part of that same section I cut I separated to put the product. Look, same hair, but look where it falls. Same hair, but look where it falls. Oh boy. You see no curls, it's stringy. Now I know it's to the side, but let's part it in the middle for shits and giggles. Okay. Here's my hair part in the middle. And I don't have an asymmetrical haircut. So my next step would be to go underneath the hooded dryer. But like I said in my first video, I want to see the full potential of this product. So I'm just going to let it air dry, put my bonnet on and go to sleep. And then I'll come back tomorrow morning and let you guys see and know my results of my second application of K18. All right, y'all. BRB. What is this? Okay, y'all, so it's the next day. As you can see, I have my hair up because I don't think I like the combination of the curl cream that I used last night with the product. Or I don't think I like the curl cream at all anymore. Because I used to use it with another hair foam, but I no longer want to use those products. But anywho, my hair is like very stringy and like shiny. My hair doesn't feel waxy this time around. I honestly do think that it was just the curl move, and it makes sense. Like I said before, a lot of products just don't mesh well together. But okay, so this is my second application of the K18, which is the leave-in molecular hair mask, repair hair mask. As you can see, I'm still having some curls that just won't curl. See here. But I will say, like, my hair feels, if you can hear that, it feels good. Like, it feels strong. It doesn't feel like limp. Even though I feel like it does look limp, but that's just because of the product that I use. But so yes, as I was saying, I really don't like this curl cream. But next week, on my third application, I am going to be using hair gel, which is my two favorite things are hair gels and foams. They're near and dear to my heart. Curl creams, it's like it's a hit or miss. But yes, y'all, this is what we have. Let me see if I can turn around. So yes, overall, although I have some strands that are still not getting with the program. My hair does feel healthy. It feels strong. The elasticity is still there from the first application. So yeah, so I'll see you in 2 weeks for the 4th application. For the 3rd application, you can follow me on Instagram, as I said before. Put my Instagram somewhere here. So yes, I'll do weekly updates. So I did the 1st and 2nd application on YouTube, and I'll come on for my last one in 2 weeks. All right, y'all. Y'all be blessed. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.